Meaning of dunce's cap.
Dunce's cap.
Dunce's cap.
Dunce's cap.
Dunce's cap. The term dunce's cap refers to a conical hat, usually made of paper or cloth, that was used as a form of punishment in schools. It would be placed on the head of a student who was deemed to be particularly foolish or slow-witted, as a way of publicly shaming them. The cap often had the word dunce written on it, and the student would be forced to wear it for a period of time. The practice has largely fallen out of use in modern times, as it is considered to be cruel and counterproductive to effective education.